Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, August 30th. A British parliamentary vote ended with the UK declining to join the US initiative to punish Syria for alleged use of chemical weapons. Although the US has said that the attacks are small-scale enough that the country could act alone, most believe that the Obama administration will wait and try to garner international support. While addressing Parliament on Friday, the Indian Prime Minister claimed that the rupee's recent slide has been a necessary adjustment. In his speech, he said that the currency's weakness could help boost exports in the coming month. He also confirmed that India is not planning to use capital controls and pledged to contain the fiscal deficit at 4.8 for 2014. On a phone conference on Friday, China's foreign minister said there should be no UN Security Council until the findings from a chemical probe in Syria have been released. General Electric has begun the proceedings to divest its consumer finance business. People close to the matter have said that an IPO could be on the horizon. In a report of the exchange's preliminary findings, Nasdaq OMX Group has taken most of the blame for last week's 3-hour market outage. Although the company is taking on most of the responsibility, it claims that at least part of the problem was caused by an NYSE Euronext electronic platform. After a difficult month, Asian markets were mostly positive on Friday. The South Korean Kospi was up 0.99%, and the Australian ASX 200 was up 0.83%. The Shanghai Composite was up just 0.05%, and the Shenzhen Composite was down 0.93%. The Japanese Nikkei was also down, falling 0.53%. European markets were mostly quiet this morning as investors remained cautious. The UK's FTSE index was up 0.08%, and the Stoxx 600 was up 0.04%. The Spanish IBEX fell 0.56%, and Italy's MIB was also down by 0.32%. In currency markets, the dollar to pound and dollar to euro ratios remained flat. The yen gained 0.39% against the dollar, and the rupee lost ground, falling 0.14% against the dollar. In pre-market trade, Salesforce.com was up 7.9% after the company's second quarter results came in above analyst expectations. Citigroup was down 1.24% in pre-market trade. The company recently agreed to undergo an audit of its online credit card system after it was discovered that hackers were able to access several of the accounts. Friday's economic calendar will be a busy one. The US is set to release consumer sentiment and personal income data. India and Canada will release GDP data. From Europe, we'll see Eurozone business climate, consumer confidence, CPI and unemployment data. We'll see Spanish current account data, Italian unemployment, and German retail sales. And that's it for Friday's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, wishing all of you a happy Labor Day weekend.